Are you that person who is trying to get the home on the market but don't know what are the steps I need to get my home ready to sell in this market? So in this video today, I'm going to talk about 5 tips how to get your home ready for today's market. If you know who I am, my name is Decor Phillips, your different real estate agent. If it's your first time on my YouTube channel, welcome to YouTube channel. Before you run away, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you're a buyer, seller, investor, have any other questions, please leave a comment below this video. At the end of the day, I want to be a resource for you and be a realtor for life. The first step how to get your home ready for today's market is deep clean and declutter. So deep cleaning, very important for you sellers out there, is that you need to hire a professional cleaner to clean your home, because you might think your home is clean or think that your home is ready to be on the market, but it's very, very important to hire that professional cleaner, because a professional cleaner could know things that needs to be clean that you think it clean that it didn't clean. So make sure you hire a professional cleaner. Another thing, very, very important, is decluttering. So what I mean decluttering is that you want to make sure that your home, like I like to say, is catalog ready. Like you pick up those nice magazines and there's all these $1 million homes and everything looks perfect. That is how you want your home to look while someone walks in your home. So what I mean by decluttering is that any personal items that you could put away, because when someone walks in the home, you want them to imagine that this is a home that it can live. So anything that needs to be put in storage, put in storage. Do not put in your basement, because they might want to go in the basement and see what's there. So try to get a storage unit for temporary and put everything out. You want to declutter as much as possible to make something very, very minimum, so when someone walks in the home, it could give them the wow factor. Number 2 tip, home repairs. Home repairs could be doorknobs. It could be anything that you see is broken from the naked eye, get it fixed. If you have burnt out light bulbs, make sure you replace the light bulbs. If carpet's dirty, make sure you get professional clean. Anything that needs to be fixed, make sure you fix. Because if you don't fix these items and people come to your home, buyers, to look at your home, and they notice this thing, when it comes to inspection report, they are going to mark these things that needs to be fixed, and you as a seller might get frustrated. So to avoid all the headaches, anything that needs to be fixed, make sure that it's fixed, and then you'll be good to go. A third tip, how to get your home ready in today's market, is neutral decor. So with neutral decor is that you want to make sure through the house everything's all flowing. So if you have a room or a bedroom or any type of room that has a very dark color, find a way to lighten it up so it could bring more light and energy in that room. Also, if you have a room that's vacant, find a way to stage it, has some furniture in it. For example, like let's say you have like a bedroom and the bedroom's vacant, and if you have a dresser, someone let's see the dresser there, or the bed, or what other things in that room, so they can imagine in their head what goes in what places. So neutral decor is very, very important, because you don't want to have the different colors and palettes or things off. You want to make sure it's nice and smoothly, so when a potential buyer walks, they can see, oh, okay, this goes there, that goes there. It's more bright and has lots of energy in this place, and I can see myself living in this home. A fourth tip, curb appeal. So curb appeal is very, very important. So with curb appeal, landscaping. Make sure your property is landscaped right. Make sure you don't have like tall grass or weeds, or if the shrubs are jagged, make sure that thing looks very nice. Outside of your home, like if your door needs to be painted, touch it with paint. If you need power washing on shingles or the sides, make sure it's power washed. Make sure that things look good outside of home, because if the thing outside the home looks jagged, people will be kind of scared what's going to look inside the home. So make sure that you do a great job outside the home and make sure everything looks pretty clean, because if it looks clean and they go inside, they'll be very excited to get into your home because everything looks very beautiful outside of your property. Fifth tip, professional photography. So professional photography is very, very important to get your home ready in today's market, because when you have nice pictures, it sells. Like, you just don't want to, excuse my French, half-ass it, because if half-ass it and people look through your photos, they would not be interested in touring your property. And that's why I said decluttering is very important, because when you take the professional pictures, you want to make sure everything looks very nice, like the bed's made, or everything's all staged in the dining room, and everything just looks nice. So professional photography is very, very important, because it's going to help you market your home to the right buyers who are interested to view your home. Talked about 5 tips how to get your home ready in today's market. These tips are very important. If any other questions how to sell your home in today's market, please leave a comment below. If you leave a comment below, I'll send you a seller's guide how to get your home ready in today's market. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel right now. Please like it, share it with your peers. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you soon.